Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes for the Samsung Galaxy A51. So for that we will need the dialer let's start with the battery status. So it's star hash 0228 and hash. Now we're in the battery status. We see the voltage, we see the current level of charging, 33%, sorry. We see the level blocks. And yeah, by the way, don't tap this one here because maybe you can have problems after your smartphone. Also don't make a quick start here. And if you want to go back, just use the arrow here. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is diagnostic information, but it's also more for professionals. So star hash 90, and then the hash. And then we are in a diagnostic service mode, and yeah, you can do nothing wrong, I think, but the next mode you will love it because you have many stuff to really check your smartphone. It's star hash 0 star hash. So now we are in a diagnostic tool you can really use, and it's easily to understand. I can check the color, if the red is okay, if the green is okay, and if the blue is okay as well. It looks good. So you can check the receiver. Sounds very well. The vibration, whatever you will need it for. This is a current vibration. And then you can check the mega cam, the one here behind, the rear one with HDR. The flash is on. Doesn't take pictures, so looks good. Test saved. The rear HDR auto. Double tap here on the arrow to get back. You can check the grip sensor. So it works. Check all the sensors here. Also the one on the back works. Okay, double tap here now. So then we have the other sensors, the gyroscope sensor, the magnetic sensor, and so on for the compass, the fingerprint sensor. So everything works well. Also double tap here now. Okay, the next one is very nice because it's for the touch screen. I don't know if you see that here. You have that cross, and now you have to touch all the blocks here. It's just to test the screen if the touch panel is working well all over. And if you want to get out here, you have to touch all the blocks. They have to become green, and then you are out. Okay, the speaker is well as well. Sounds nice. Okay, we have here the sub keys. Looks very good. Double tap here to get back. We have the front cam. You know how I work now. Hello. And yeah, also double tap here to get back. So we have now a sensor hub test. Okay. Yeah, we have passed it. Okay, then the Hall IC, I have no idea, but I guess everything works well. Now we can check the black screen if everything is okay, because yeah, sometimes you can see if something broken, also on the display or something like this. To get back, use the power button, no? The button on the side. And you have here the version, I think the software version, and so on and so on. Yeah. I hope I could show you something new with this crazy secret codes, and I think especially the last one is something very nice to check out a bit more your phone. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, or maybe the next time. Ciao.